Hi! In this video, I will show you how to switch workspace and how to create a new one if needed. Let's start sharing my app. As you can see here, we are on the main page. As a side note, once you start using the app, your very first workspace will be automatically created by the magicplan app. You don't have to do anything and you don't have to worry about anything. But if you later have more workspaces, how does it work if you want to change your workspace? You simply have to tap on the upper left corner where you see the workspace name and you select the next workspace where you want to keep working and you tap on switch. Voila! And if you also created some teams, you can change also here from the workspace into a specific team. As you can see here, Boston, and you will simply tap on switch to keep working. Now let's open the magicplan cloud to see how this procedure works there. As you can see, the workspace name is always on the upper left side. You see here total clean restoration. I tap on the arrow and I switch into a different workspace. Okay. From here, you can also switch into a specific team. You simply have to go on click here. And now you see that a new search bar appeared. You can select that and you can both select a specific member and a team. We can select Boston in this case, and voila. If you then want to create a new workspace, it's super simple. You select the little arrow near the workspace name, and at the bottom you see the option Manage Workspaces. We select that, and from here you can both rename the workspace where you're currently in. As you can see here, you have the Edit toggle, or create a new workspace. You will select a name and then select Create. Give it a second. Voila! You have a new workspace. It's a free workspace, of course, because it's a new one. So if you would like to purchase a subscription, you can do that. And here you will have 2 free projects first. Then, an important note to finish our video. If a company invites you to join a workspace, you will get an email like this saying that the workspace owner of that specific workspace invited you to join. You simply have to select Accept Invitation and you will be automatically redirected in the company workspace. In case you still see your free personal workspace in the app, for example, you simply have to follow the process that we just saw together. So switch the workspace and you will then go into the company workspace. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.